Gerald feels magic. He sees a woman. Her eyes are purple. She knows his name. His life is different now. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we will read part 3 of The Witcher Book 1, The Last Wish. Let's go. Part 9, The Voice of Reason V. Geralt sits in the temple garden. The sun is warm on his face. He feels stronger. His body is almost healed, but his mind is full. He thinks of Ciri, the girl he must find. He thinks of Blaviken, the choice he made. He thinks of Nivellen, the friend who was a monster. So many stories, so many ghosts. Ninnig finds him there. "You look thoughtful," she says. "I am thinking about all of them," Geralt says. "The people in my memories. They are all a part of me." "Yes," Ninnig says. "The past makes us, but it does not have to break us. You have faced your ghosts. Now you must face the one that holds your heart." Geralt knows who she means. Yennefer. The memory of her is the strongest. It is also the most painful. "I am afraid of that memory," Geralt says quietly. It is hard for him to say this. "Love is often frightening," Ninnig says, "because it is the most powerful magic of all, stronger than any curse. Go and rest. Face the last memory. Then you'll be free to walk your path again, with a clearer heart." Geralt goes back to his room. He lies on the bed. He is not sick now. He is not weak. He chooses to remember. He closes his eyes. He does not fight the memory. He lets it come. This memory is not dark. It is full of strong feelings. It is the memory of a town called Rind, a djinn, and a beautiful, angry sorceress who changed his life forever. The scene changes. We are in the memory. Geralt is in a small town. The town is called Rind. He is here because of a djinn. A djinn is a powerful magical creature. It lives in a bottle. It can grant wishes. Geralt has the bottle, but he does not want it. It is too dangerous. Then he meets her. Her name is Yennefer of Vengerberg. She is a sorceress. She is the most beautiful woman Geralt has ever seen. Her hair is black and curly. Her eyes are violet. She wears black and white clothes. She wants the djinn. She needs its power. "Give me the bottle, Witcher," she says. Her voice is like music, but it is cold. "No," Geralt says. "It is too dangerous. You could die." "I know what I am doing," Yennefer says. She is proud and angry. They argue. They shout. But they are connected. They feel something for each other. It is not love at first sight. It is like a storm. Yennefer takes the bottle. She releases the djinn. She tries to control it. But the djinn is too strong. It hurts her. She's in great pain. Geralt sees this. He must do something. He must save her. He has one chance. He has one last wish from the djinn. He can wish for anything. Riches, power, a long life. But he does not wish for any of those things. He looks at Yennefer. She is hurt and proud. He knows what to do. He uses his last wish. He makes his wish to the djinn. We do not hear the wish. It is a secret. Only Geralt and the djinn know it. After the wish, something happens. The djinn disappears. Yennefer is safe. She looks at Geralt. Her violet eyes are wide. She feels it, the magic of the wish. It binds them. It connects their destinies. She does not say thank you. She is confused. She is angry. But she's also changed. Geralt is changed too. He knows his life will never be the same. This is how their great and difficult love story begins. With a secret wish. With a storm. With destiny. Part 10. The Last Wish. After the djinn disappears, the room is quiet. Yennefer looks at Geralt. She is not hurt anymore, but she is not happy. What did you do? Yennefer asks. Her voice is low. What was your wish? I can't tell you, Geralt says. A wish told aloud loses its power. Was it for me? She asks. Yes, Geralt says. Yennefer turns away. She looks out the window. She is thinking. She feels the magic around them. It is strong magic. It is the magic of destiny. Why? She asks. You don't know me. We are strangers. We argued. I don't know why, Geralt says honestly. I just knew I had to save you. Yennefer looks at him again. Her violet eyes are softer now. She is not angry. She is curious. Your wish, it tied our lives together, she says. Do you understand that? I'm starting to, Geralt says. They do not say, I love you. It is too soon for that. They do not kiss. But something is born in that room. A connection. A bond that is stronger than anger, stronger than magic. Yennefer stays in Rhine for a few more days. Geralt stays too. They talk. They are not friendly, but they are not enemies. They learn about each other. Geralt learns that Yennefer is powerful, but she is also lonely. She wants to be great. She wants people to respect her. She is afraid of being weak. Yennefer learns that Geralt is strong, but he is also kind. He does not like to kill. He wants to do the right thing. He is afraid of his own destiny. They are two lonely people, two different people, a mutant and a sorceress, a monster hunter and a wielder of great magic. But they're the same in their hearts. They both want to be loved. They both want to belong. When it is time to leave, Yennefer says, This is not the end, Geralt of Rivia. I know, Geralt says. Destiny is a funny thing, Yennefer says. It brought us together with anger. Now it will keep us together with something else. Something else, Geralt repeats. She gets on her horse and rides away. Geralt watches her go. He feels a strange pain in his chest. It is not a bad pain. It is the pain of a new beginning. He knows he will see her again. Their story is just starting. The memory ends. Back in the temple. Geralt opens his eyes. He is smiling. It is a small smile, but it is real. The memory of Yennefer is complete. He remembers the pain, the anger, the magic, and the beginning of love. It is a good memory. A difficult but good memory. He sits up. He feels light. The ghosts of his past are quiet now. He has faced them all. The door opens. Then he comes in. You look peaceful, she says. I am, Geralt says. I remember everything now. The Striga, Nivellen, Blaviken, Ciri, Yennefer. All of it. Good, Ninnik says. Now you are whole again. Your body is healed. Your mind is clean. You are ready. Geralt stands up. He is strong. He is a witcher again. He knows what he must do. He must find Ciri. He must find his child of surprise. And maybe, along the way, he will find Yennefer too. His path is waiting. Part 11. The Voice of Reason 6. The End. Morning comes to the temple. The air is fresh and clean. Geralt is in the garden. He is dressed in his clothes again. His black shirt, his leather armor, his sword are on his back. He looks like a witcher once more. Iola brings him a small bag. Food for your journey, she says. She smiles, but her eyes are sad. I will miss our talks. Thank you, Iola, Geralt says, for everything. Your kindness helped me heal. It was my duty, she says, and my pleasure. Ninnik joins them. She looks at Geralt with wise, kind eyes. So, Ninnik says, the sick witcher is gone. The warrior has returned. Yes, Gerald says. Thanks to you. Remember, Ninnik says, you are not just a sword. You are a man with a heart. You have people to care for now. A child to find. A sorceress who is tied to your soul. Do not forget that on the path. I won't forget, Gerald promises. He walks to the stable. His horse, Roach, is there. Roach sees him and makes a happy sound. Gerald touches her neck. He is happy to see his old friend. He puts the food in his bag. He gets on Roach. He looks back at the temple one last time. Iola and Ninnik wave goodbye. Then he turns and rides towards the gate. He is leaving the safe, quiet temple. He is going back to the dangerous world. Back to the path. The road is long and empty. The sun is high in the sky. Gerald rides slowly. He is not in a hurry. He thinks. He thinks about his memories. They are not heavy anymore. They are just stories. They are a part of him. He thinks about the future. He must go to Sintra. He must look for Ciri. He must follow the thread of destiny. He also thinks about Yennefer. Where is she? Will he see her again? The wish connects them. Destiny will bring them together. A child of surprise. A sorceress of destiny. He is still a witcher. He will still fight monsters. He will still walk a lonely road. But now his heart is not empty. He has something to fight for. He looks at the road ahead. It goes on and on into the unknown. He smiles. He touches the medallion around his neck. It vibrates softly. Magic is near. The world is full of danger and wonder. He is ready. Gerald of Rivia kicks his horse gently. Come on, Roach, he says. We have a long way to go. And so, the Witcher rides on. His story is not finished. It is only just beginning.